Hi everyone, today we are going to solve another lead code question which is remove duplicates from sorted array. Given a sorted array nums, remove duplicates in place such that each element appears only once and returns the new length. Let's see the example 1. The nums array is given as 1, 1, 2 and the output is 2 because we have to print the length of the unique elements of the array after removing the duplicates. So after removing the duplicates, the array will be 1, 2 and the length of the array is 2. So the output is 2. Same for the example 2. This is the array given and the unique elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the output is 5 because the length of this array is 5. First I'll explain you the brute force. We will do this by using hash set because the property of set is it stores only unique elements. Suppose this is the array given. This is the array. And if we pass it into the set, it will store only unique elements. That is 1, 2 and 3. And as this stores it in ascending order, the time complexity of this will be O of n log n for this operation, insertion, and then O of n because we are storing the length of the array, whole array. So this will be the time complexity and the space complexity will be O of 1. So this was the brute force approach. Now let's go to the optimized approach. Let's take this array and what we will do? We will take two pointers I and j and we will compare I with j. See, I and j are equal but we don't want to take same elements. So we will move j forward. Now these are unique elements. So what we will do? We will move I forward to one place and then we will copy the value of j into I because we have to store only unique elements. So the array will look like 1, 2. Now we will compare I with j again. Now j will move forward. I and j are same because 2 is placed here. Because we copied the value of j into I. So 2 is placed here. Now this I and this j are same. So we will not take it because we have to take unique elements. We will move the j forward. Now these two are also same. But now 3 is a unique element and I is 2. So 2 and 3 are not equal. So what we will do? We will move I one place forward and we will copy the value of j into I. So 3 will be placed here. The array will look like this. 1, 2 and 3. And now we will move I forward and we will compare it with j. But all the elements are traversed. So we will print this array. So we got the unique elements. So this was the optimal approach for this problem. As the index starts from 0, we will return I plus 1 in the function. Return I plus 1. Let's code it. First we will check whether the array is empty or not. If it is empty by default, then we will simply print 0. If nums dot size is 0, then we have to return 0. Now we will take I as 0 and we will start the j by 1 because we have to compare I and j. And j equal to 1 and j less than nums dot size j plus plus. And now if we will compare, if nums of I if nums of I is not equal to nums of j, then we will increment I, and if not, we will copy the value of nums of j into nums of I, and then we will simply return I plus 1, because the index starts from 0. Oh, equal. The solution is submitted. So this was the solution for this problem.